welcome to another episode of What's in the Box. Today I have one of the 6 Bunnings fake Lego sets, the Lego Builder Bricks collection. So there's 6 in total that I've got from my local Bunnings, and you can order these online. I'll see if I can find the links and I'll put them in the bottom, in the description below. Let's open it up. This one is the Bunnings building block truck. It's ages 6 and plus, and it is 117 pieces. Alright, let's see what it has inside. Look. 1, 2, 3, some instructions, and some stickers. So you got some little Bunnings stickers that go on your truck, so let's put them aside. You got your instructions. So 1 through to 20. So let's put those aside. There. Let's get my bricks. And open these up. Alright, there we go. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to time-lapse this bit so that you get to see how quick we can build one of these Bunnings trucks out of the builder blocks. Alright, let's have a look. That's how easy it is to make the Bunnings Warehouse builder block truck. Now, I've got my stickers here. I'm one of those people that don't like putting stickers on Lego, especially if it's eventually going to be pulled apart, because these parts here do separate. So, that's how easy it is to make this builder block truck. If you've seen anything like in these videos, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget comments, questions, or any other things you'd like me to try and build. Leave it in the comments field below on YouTube. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and get notified. And until next time, see you in the next video.